Meetings Today Live is a hosted buyer event for meeting planners, connecting planners and suppliers in prime destinations. You will engage through one-on-one appointments. You will explore top meeting and event sites. You will learn through top golf pros. And you will network with top meeting professionals like you. Meetings Today Live is a unique hosted buyer program that is smaller and more intimate than other hosted buyer programs. Meetings Today Live Golf features stunning Palm Springs and Rancho Mirage, California. Welcome to Palm Springs.
Well, this gives us an opportunity to show off and really give them a chance to really get a sense of the destination. We have, obviously the golf is certainly a nice form to bring them in. We have over 110 golf courses available for people to play in the area, but the nice thing is there's so much more to golf here, and our planners will get to see that. They'll be able to do some of the red Jeep tours. They'll get to enjoy the spas. They'll enjoy the outdoor activities that we have. We have hiking and biking. We have a lot of things that people can do. We want people outside. You know, it's great to have your meetings inside, but we want people to enjoy the outside here.
Palm Springs is the golf capital of the Western United States. Geoteaming sponsored a game to help planners meet all the suppliers before the end of the event. Downloading an app, every supplier was a mission where they needed to take a photo together with their company logo. The Meetings Today Live Golf Host Hotel is the Westin Mission Hills Golf Resort and Spa. This resort is ranked one of the top 50 golf resorts in North America by Golf Digest, with 90,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor event space. Meetings Today Live means business. Meetings Today Live includes business exchange time where planners meet with top suppliers from around the world. Meetings Today Live is fun. We played a shotgun best ball fun tournament at the Westin's Gary Player course. The $10,000 hole-in-one prize was sponsored by the Park City, Utah Chamber and the Hyatt Centric PC. There was a closest to pin contest with prizes. We discovered luxury at the JW Marriott Desert Springs Resort and Spa dinner.
I think, health and international global cuisine is sort of what I like to do. From Australia, I've worked in Australia, Thailand, England, Canada, and been in the US for a few years now. So with all that traveling, I've learned a couple of things while working in Europe and in Asia, so I like to bring all that with me.
The Business Exchange continues the value of Meetings Today Live. Hundreds of thousands of dollars have been contracted at Meetings Today Live events. Meetings Today Live saves you time by seeing multiple venues on one trip. Set beneath the beautiful Santa Rosa Mountains, we had lunch at the La Quinta Resort and Club, featuring championship golf and the TripAdvisor Certificate of Excellence Award. Golfers played the Nicholas Tournament course. You don't have to golf to attend Meetings Today Live Golf. Non-golfers explored Rancho Mirage in an exclusive Jeep tour. The closing dinner was held at the Omni Rancho La Palmas Resort and Spa. The Omni is a relaxing oasis with a backdrop of mountains and palm trees. Geoteaming ended Meetings Today Live on a high note with prizes, including stays at the Fiesta Americana, the Waikoloa Beach Marriott Resort and Spa, the Wigwam, the Omni Rancho Las Palmas Resort and Spa, and the Hotel del Coronado. Geoteaming also led fun karaoke to close out the rooftop night. Meetings Today Live is one of the most effective hosted buyer programs.
Come to Meetings Today Live.